Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to my video about a walking tour in Copacabana Beach in Brazil. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. As you can see, I'm currently in Copacabana Beach, one of the most iconic beaches in Brazil. The white sand and amazing views make this the perfect place to go on a walking tour. I'll be talking about all the different spots I find interesting, so make sure to stick around. I'm impressed by the bustle and energy of this beach. In one corner there is a beautiful beachfront church, and on the other side, there are lots of bars and restaurants to explore. There are people of all different nationalities who come to enjoy the amazing weather and local culture. Moving further down the beach, there's a footpath that takes you on a wonderful journey through the local neighborhood. You will find amazing street art, impressive buildings, and vibrant local stores that all make the experience in Copacabana even more special. Make sure to take a look at all the unique art and culture before you finish your walk. As I stroll back along the waterfront, I definitively recommend you check out some of the traditional Brazilian food. From the fresh fish dishes to the delicious acai bowls, you won't be disappointed. To wrap it up, I must say that this was an incredible experience. Copacabana Beach is one of the most iconic destinations in Brazil, and I can't wait to have the opportunity to visit it again. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and write a comment. Also, please make sure to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with my next video. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.